Formation of PDE when number of arbitrary constants is greater than number of independent variables. Let us take an example of z is equal to ax square plus by square plus cz square, and given z is equal to 1. That is solution. The solution is ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1. Now, since the equations are of second degree, the differential equations order will be 2. Let us differentiate. Let it be equation 1. Differentiate 1 partially with respect to x. We get a into 2x plus b into 0 with respect to x, y is 0, plus c into 2z into z is a function of x, therefore dou z by dou x equal to 0. 1 is a constant. 2ax plus 0 plus 2cz equal to into dou z by dou x equal to p equal to 0. Therefore ax plus czp equal to 0 is the one equation. Now we shall find the next derivative of this with respect to a into 1. Differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to x. We get a into 1 plus c into z dou p by dou x plus p dou z by dou x equal to 0. It is a plus c into dou p by dou x. Dou p by dou x is nothing but dou square z by dou x square. That is r into z plus p into p equal to 0. P square plus rz equal to minus a by c. Let it be equation 3. P square plus rz equal to minus a by c. Now let us again find the derivative with respect to y. That is 0. The derivative of this function with respect to y, it is a into 0 plus b into 2y into dou y by 2y plus c into 2z into dou z by dou y equal to q equal to 0. Cancelling 2 by plus cz q equal to 0. Now differentiating again, we get b is a constant, dou y by dou y equal to 1 plus c is a constant, q into dou z by dou y is q plus z into dou q by dou y equal to 0. That is minus b by c equal to q square plus dou q by dou y is nothing but t, zt, q square plus zt. Now we shall find, we know a by c, b by c and the values. Now we shall find how to differentiate equation 1 with equation 2 with respect to y. equation 2 with respect to y, we get a into 0 plus c into p into q, that is dou z by dou y, plus z into dou p by dou y equal to 0, that is pq plus z into dou p by dou y is nothing but dou by y of dou by dou y of dou z by dou x, that is dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to 0. pq plus zs equal to 0. This is one kind of solution, and if you differentiate this equation, you will get another kind of solution, that is with respect to x, 2p into dou p by dou x plus r into dou z by dou x plus z into dou r by dou x equal to 0. This is another equation, and if you differentiate this, we will get 2q into dou q by dou y, let it be with respect to y, plus z into dou t by dou y plus t into dou z by dou y equal to 0. This is another kind of solution. Thus, a partial differential equation may have any kinds of solutions.